The Marin Foundation Model Framework is a massive-scale orchestration platform developed by Stanford's CRFM and OpenAthena to handle models with hundreds of billions of parameters. While it's designed to run on sprawling cloud TPU clusters, our goal today is strictly localized. We are going to train a 2-layer NanoLlama model directly on a standard CPU. Proving the execution pipeline on your local machine first is a mandatory safeguard. It ensures you don't burn through expensive cloud compute budgets on a misconfigured training run. You will need 3 absolute prerequisites for this installation: Git, the UV package manager, and exactly Python 3.12. Warning tone: be aware that Python 3.14 or higher will cause the system to fail. The underlying file system library has a known bug with its compression codec on newer versions. If you ignore these environment boundaries, the framework's internal storage pipelines will break before the training process even begins. Start by cloning the official repository from GitHub to download the core framework and its submodules. Once the download is complete, navigate into the newly created Marin directory. Now use the UV package manager to provision a virtual environment specifically targeted at Python 3.12. With the environment created, activate it using the standard source command. Using this isolated environment ensures that every library on your local machine matches the versions found on remote worker nodes, maintaining strict dependency parity across the entire cluster. Next, run the make init command. Marin discards native pip in favor of UV to synchronize core development dependencies in parallel. You will see a rapid stream of package installations in your terminal as the system aligns the framework's internal components. After the sync is complete, execute make setup pre-commit to install the repository's standard linting hooks. Synchronizing these specific development group packages ensures that the JAX and Levanter libraries are properly aligned, preventing the version mismatch crashes that can occur during deep training. Before you run the code, you must define the most critical environment variable in the framework, Marin prefix. Marin uses a lazy execution graph. It requires a strictly defined root destination to cache generated artifacts, such as tokenized datasets, so it can skip redundant computations in future runs. For this local test, define the path by exporting Marin prefix equals local store in your terminal. If you fail to pin this prefix, the orchestrator will instantly abort because it has no valid directory to write its telemetry or checkpoints. Now we are ready to execute the smoke test. This built-in script trains a NanoLlama architecture on a tiny data slice to prove the system is functional. Enter the launch command using uv-run, pointing to the tutorial module and specifying the CPU as your device. Make sure you append the --run flag to the very end of that command. Without that flag, the framework will only print out its theoretical execution plan without performing any actual mathematical compute. Once you hit enter, the framework topologically resolves the step graph, locking the sequence of operations into place. The system will download a shard of the TinyStories dataset and tokenize it directly into your local storage directory. Finally, the pipeline will execute 100 parameter update steps using your host CPU. Completing this localized run definitively proves that your JAX configuration and the step-runner dependencies are fully functional. Look for the final log trace, all steps complete. This is your definitive success metric. You have successfully built an isolated environment, configured the framework's caching pathways, and executed a complete training loop. Because of Marin's caching behavior, rerunning this exact script will now skip the tokenization phase entirely, saving you time during development. Now that the local foundation is set, you are ready to change the target device flag and deploy this exact pipeline to a massive Google Cloud cluster using the Iris orchestrator.